Hello friends, welcome to Amazing Facts About Birds, Part 4. Today we are going to learn about eagles and woodpeckers. Let's start with eagles. Eagles are large, powerful birds of prey. Eagles have large hooked beaks. Eagles have excellent eyesight. Eagles have powerful talons which keep them catch prey. Eagles build their nests on high cliffs or in tall trees. There are over 60 different species of eagle. Golden eagles have known to hunt foxes, wild cats, and even young deer and goats. Female golden eagles usually lay between 1 and 4 eggs each breeding season. Bald eagles are found in North America. Eagles have amazing eyesight and can detect prey up to 2 miles away. Eagles are generally very big and are covered in feathers. Also, they have a wide wingspan. Woodpeckers. They are small birds with very strong beaks. They use their beaks to hammer into trees and get to the small insects living inside. A woodpecker's hammering can be heard far away. Woodpeckers vary in size from 6 to 10 inches long. They found in a variety of colors and patterns, but the most common thing is in their pointed beaks. Their feet are pretty small. They have 4 toes, 2 facing forward and 2 facing backward. This helps them hang onto the branches. Woodpeckers have feathers covering their nostrils that are like a hairbrush. The feathers catch all the wood particles and keep the woodpeckers from inhaling them as he hammers away. There are around 180 species of woodpeckers. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share this video, and ring the notification bell. Bye!